Think you know about Palm Bay's new construction market? Well, think again. Cypress Bay West is one of the fastest growing, most exciting communities on the Space Coast. And today, I'm here in Cypress Bay West, and I'm going to be giving you the full tour. Hi, I'm Tina Veltri with Veltri Group of Brevard, and alongside my brother Lou, we're a sibling real estate team who grew up right here on Florida's Space Coast, and we help people buy, build, and sell in Brevard County. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through Cypress Bay West, a master plan community in Southeast Palm Bay that is changing the map forever. I'll be taking you on a guided tour, even driving you around, and I'll introduce you to my friend Matt Swist. He is the DR Horton new home specialist out here, and he'll be joining me throughout the series that I'm doing with updates, model tours, and insider information. So make sure to subscribe to our channel because this is just the beginning and you're not going to want to miss a thing. Let's take a look at the map so you can get an idea of the general big picture of the area. Cypress Bay West sits in southeast Palm Bay, right off of St. John Heritage Parkway and just minutes from I-95. Now, it's part of the larger Waterstone master planned community, but it's quickly becoming a destination all on its own. Right down the street at the top of the map, you're going to see Gardens at Waterstone, where we've already helped buyers close and go under construction with both KB and Adams Homes. Just across the street from Cypress Bay West, across Babcock Road, is the new Publix shopping center. This Publix is 2 stories and it has an upstairs eating room. Now, there's also a Jimmy John's, and under construction is a Circle K, and I have heard that there's going to be a Domino's and much more shopping in the area to come. And while this area may look remote on the map, it is not. This area is becoming one of the most active pockets in Palm Bay. And here you're only about 20 minutes away from the Melbourne airport, 25 minutes away from Melbourne Beach, and just over an hour to Orlando. It's a great central location, and we're only getting started here. This is the CDD community with a shared master HOA across all phases of it. And I'll be going over the specific pricing breakdowns of that when I get to each neighborhood. This area is attracting buyers from all area, and it's why we're doing a special video series on it. We'll also be continuing to update you on Cypress Bay West, and I'll be doing a separate video on 2 other major developments right next door. That'll be Sunterra Lakes and Ashton Park. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those. Cypress Bay West is part of the larger Waterstone master planned area, but this community is quickly developing its own unique identity. This is a flagship DR Horton neighborhood with multiple product lines, 13 phases, and over 1,300 homes planned when it's all completed. You'll find a mix of everything here: traditional style homes, low maintenance options, and even future estate style homes and duplexes. This isn't just one subdivision, it's a full master community with many layers. To give you an inside look at what's happening right now out here and what's coming, I'm excited to introduce someone I'll be working very closely with throughout this series. This is Matt Swist. He's a DR Horton new home specialist right here in Cypress Bay West. You'll be seeing more of him in the future, doing home tours, community updates, and behind the scenes interviews with me. So let's hear what he has to say.
Hey guys, how are you? I'm Matt Swist. I'm a new home sales specialist with DR Horton. Today we're in Cypress Bay West. Cypress Bay West is going to be DR Horton's flagship community in Brevard County. It's a master plan community. It's going to have resort style amenities and multiple different phases. So right now we have two phases open. We have a phase called the Glen, which we have about another 100 houses or so to sell. And we have a phase called the Serenoa, which is our freedom style homes. The resort style amenities that we're going to be offering here is a large resort style pool, fitness center, clubhouse, pickleball courts, tot lot, splash pad, and more. In total, we'll have about 1,300 homes here, multiple different product lines. We'll have it for every stage of your life. If you are a retiree coming down from the Northeast, we have something for you. If you're just starting your family and it's your first house, we have a product for that as well. We're going to be opening up a couple of duplexes. We'll have estate style homes so that are customizable. So truly something for everybody. Thank you.
Next up is the Glen, which was the very first phase to open in Cypress Bay West. This is part of the DR Horton traditional series, which is a great fit for anyone looking for a larger floor plan, more flexibility, and that classic neighborhood feel. There are 4 floor plan models to choose from at the Glen. We've got the Area, Cali, Lakeside, and the Hayden. The traditional series, unlike the Freedom series, which we're going to see in a bit, does not include lawn maintenance. Right now, they're about 3 months out from build time here at the Glen, but there are still about 100 homes left to be built. So if you're thinking ahead, this is a great time to start planning. I'll be back with additional updates as things progress in the Glen, and I will be doing a full tour of each model home out here, and we'll have Matt along to do other walkthroughs and some additional insights and updates along the way. Serenoa is the second neighborhood here in Cypress Bay West, and it's a little bit different. This one is part of DR Horton's Freedom series, which means it's built for low maintenance living. It's gated community, and the landscaping is beautifully maintained, and things like lawn care, irrigation, and exterior maintenance are all included. There are currently 3 models to choose from in Serenoa. There's the Bristol, Clifton, and the Del Rey. And if you're interested in Serenoa, stay tuned, because I'll be doing a full walkthrough of each floor plan, plus sitting down with Matt where he'll go over everything that's included, what's standard versus upgrades, and what makes the Freedom series so popular. Now let's talk amenities, because this is one big reason Cypress Bay West is such a standout community. This is a master plan community, and that means everyone here will have access to the resort style amenities that are already planned and in motion. Now, here's what's coming. A resort style pool, splash pad for the kids, fitness center, clubhouse, pickleball and basketball courts, an event lawn, and walking trails. So that's your full tour of Cypress Bay West, from the neighborhoods and builder options to the amazing resort style amenities that are on the way. Whether you're relocating, looking for a brand new home, or just want something fresh and low maintenance, this community has something for everyone. Make sure to check back, because I will continuously be doing updates on this area. I'll let you know when other models are available in the Glen. I'll be doing full home tours of each model that is available, and I'll be giving you updates on the amenities. If you have any questions, want to schedule a tour, or just want to learn about new construction options here in Palm Bay or anywhere on the Space Coast of Florida, reach out anytime. Our family is always here to help yours. Thanks for watching. Until next time, make it a great one.